Day 4, small steps to break the burnout cycle. Reclaiming your energy. Recovering from burnout doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul. It's about small, consistent actions that help you rebuild your reserves of strength and joy. Practical steps to start today. Ask for help. Delegate tasks to family members, friends, or community resources. Professional respite care can provide much-needed breaks. Set boundaries. Practice saying no to requests that stretch you too thin. Prioritize what truly matters. Simplify your day. Focus on 1 or 2 essential tasks instead of trying to do everything. Practice mindfulness. Take 5 minutes to breathe deeply, meditate, or simply sit in silence. Rebuilding joy. Caregiving often overshadows personal passions. Spend time rediscovering what makes you happy. Listen to your favorite music or podcast. Watch a show that makes you laugh. Spend time in nature, even if it's just a walk in your backyard. Connecting with others. Talking to others who understand your experience can be incredibly healing. Look for online forums, local support groups, or even social media communities for caregivers. Tomorrow, we'll talk about finding hope and building a sustainable plan for the future. Sources: Family Caregiver Alliance, Cleveland Clinic, APA.